Hey guys, check out this gardening tool set. It's stainless steel. It has like a patriotic American flag theme. Very cool. So it comes with a bag that we could carry all our tools in the side pouches right here. So it has little side pouches for all of our tools on both sides, okay? And then it also has a lot of space that you could carry a lot of things in here. Maybe your seeds, okay, or whatever you need for gardening. It comes with gloves. These are some really nice gloves, especially because it comes with these claw attachments, which makes digging in the dirt really easy if you want to just get in there with your hands and dig in the dirt to plant some stuff. These are very cool, nice gloves. And then it also comes with a bunch of different tools we can use. So we have our hoe here, we have some shovels, different shovels, other digging tools that we can use as well for gardening. Very cool. It also comes with some shears, okay, so you could do some cutting if you need to cut some of your plants back. So very nice with that. And then it also comes with a little squirt bottle so you could squirt some water on your plants.